Congratulations for making the smart decision to join this course. You're going to learn more than just valuable information. Again, just in this first video, you're going to learn a helpful practice activity. So, wise decision to continue watching. So vocal about what it is they are striking about, and they take a stand. Well, as an author who's written a book, you've got to take a stand. You have to be so very confident about what you are talking about that you're willing to stand out there on the street with a placard holding up that sign saying, yes, this is me, regardless of who is criticizing you and honking their horns going, boo, doesn't matter. This is your voice. So what is the ultimate public relations tip? Well, hang tight because I share that with you at the end of this lecture. So the helpful practice activity, all right, I want you to think about your goal for taking Book Marketing Part 7 Public Relations course. What's your goal? Okay, and I'm gonna ask you 3 questions. All right, these 3 questions, I want your gut response. Okay, your first gut response. And if you're on your laptop or computer, you can take advantage of keyboard shortcuts, right? Just hit the letter B and just type in your first gut response. Now, if you're watching this course on your your smartphone or tablet, then you can just use something else. Write it down. But yeah, your first gut response. What is a lack of public relations strategy costing you? Right? What is a lack of public relations strategy costing you? If people don't know about you, what does that mean? Right? You're not selling any books, but what else does it mean? You might not be achieving your goals of being found. So write your first response. How would knowing easy PR tips help you? Right? How would knowing easy PR tips help you? Right? Would you be successful? Would you be seen as that leader? Would you be more focused and motivated? Okay? And then what is your payoff for completing this course, right? If people knew about you, right? If you became the next J.K. Rowling and just people wanted your attention and you had book deals left and right, would you be relaxing by the pool, or maybe you'd have that huge mansion with the pool, or just more vacation time, more time with your kids, your family? What is your payoff? So I want you to then take those first gut responses and put it on a sticky note and put it somewhere where you can see it. Maybe that's your screensaver, right? Maybe it's something on your tablet. You see it right away because that's your inspiration for completing this course. Because I want you to be successful, right? I developed this course to give you 5-star results. Okay? 5-star results. But again, if there's something extra that you need or you want to share with me, personal message me, because again, I want this to make things happen for you. Now, the ultimate public relations tip. Udemy is going to prompt you pretty quick to leave a review or a rating and share. Right? This is your public relations tip, because when you leave a written review, people get to see that written review, right? If they're doing a search on the internet for your name, Udemy is a highly searched website. Remember, we looked at the Alexa ranking. Well, they're a highly searched website. And then people get to see, oh, that's your name, right? And this is the kind of person that you are. So think about that, right? Think about the message that you want people to know about this course that you're taking, yes, but definitely, right, about the kind of author that you are. And that is helping you to be successful. Again, I'm your instructor, Louise Ann Maurice. You know that I want you to be successful. So I've put together 10 key points for you, and you can just read them in the next lecture. Let's continue.